So on January 14, 2026, no, 5 cases regarding the Discayas were resolved. Two of which found prima facie evidence with reasonable certainty of conviction to indict and charge the Discayas with a violation of sections 154 and 155 of the National Internal Revenue Code. That's a tax code. Ibig po sabihin yan, under that code, is they failed to supply the correct and truthful information in the respective income tax returns. In fact, they concealed their true income in their ITRs for 2 taxable years. That's taxable year 2020 and 2021. And ito pong concealment, ginawa nila in their respective capacities as sole proprietors of St. Gerard Construction in the case of Kearney Discaya or Pacifico Discaya II, and for Findings Fashion, which is also a single proprietorship by Sara Discaya. So nakita po na panel prosecutors na in these 2 cases, tinago nila yung exact and true income nila, concealed it from their ITRs or their income tax returns. And for that reason, isasampa po yung kaso with the Court of Tax Appeals, CTA, which has jurisdiction over these offenses, given that certain amount. So yun po yung nangyari sa dalawang kaso na yun. Now, again, I said 5 because in 3 other cases, na-dismiss naman po yung kaso. What those 3 other cases refer to, ano naman po yan, ibang tax. Hindi siya income tax, it's excise tax. And alam po natin na excise tax is, under the law, is payable by the importer. Nakita po ng panel na hindi importers sina Sara and Curly, so they were not liable for non-payment of excise tax. Ang may liability po magbayad ng excise tax would be yung nag-import talaga, kanino nila binili yung mga kotse. Kasi motor vehicles po yung subject ng mga kaso na to eh. So nakita nila na sina Discayas were end consumers, not the importers. They cannot be liable for non-payment of excise tax sa 3 kaso po na yun. So again, it's 5, 3 dismissed, 2 will proceed to court.
3, ganun ba yun, sir? 3 motor vehicles, kaya 3 kaso
Hindi po,
per vehicle?
Ano yan eh, in those 3 cases, 2 motor vehicles each. So sa isang kaso po na yun, it concerned, so let's start with Bureau of Internal Revenue versus Sara Discaya. That case concerned 2 subject motor vehicles, 1 Land Rover/Range Rover Evo, and 1 Cadillac Escalade. That was dismissed because they were not liable for excise tax, not being the importers. The second case of BAR versus St. Gerard Construction, Pacifico Discaya II and Cesar Discaya, that was dismissed. That concerned 2 motor vehicles as well, a Land Rover Range Rover LWB and a Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 316CD. And then the third case concerns 2 more motor vehicles, a Mercedes-Benz V2020 CDI Avant and 1 Dodge Ram Rebel. So yun po yung mga coaching concerning these 3 cases. That's total 6 cars.